Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to find and locate your USB port and your local area network port on your KitchenAid KF8 fully automatic espresso machine. The device is equipped with a smart system. That means we can flash the system, for example, make an update or something else by using a USB port. For this, you have to remove the maintenance cover on the right side of your device. And then you will need a Torx bit with a screwdriver. And you have to remove the cover over the USB port. After you finish that, you can see there is one USB port. It's the same dimension like a printer USB port. This is the biggest way of a USB port, of course, on the market. And on the other side, we have another port that is the local area network port. For this, the information and the energy can come from a local area network cable, a patch cable. These two ports you can use for firmware upgrade and of course for software-based troubleshooting on your KitchenAid, KF8, KF7 or KF6 fully automatic espresso machine. After you finish the work, you flash the system, for example, get the screw into position, tighten the screw again, and of course you have to reattach the cover at the area of the brewing unit, because the brewing unit is underneath this maintenance area to locate it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.